I'm gonna show this to Jeremy later.
See the puppy? Ow. You can't hide behind me.
Are they gonna play?
I'm just trying to figure out what this dog wants.
He's so calm around him.
I'm just like, what the hell is this?
Is that biting his face?
No, he's just trying to smell. Look at Benjo. He's like, all right, dude.
Benjo's so good around him.
He knows how small he is. He knows he's a puppy. What's that?
Oh. Why is he scratching his back? I'm gonna die. Oh my god, that was so cute.
He just wants a kiss, Benjo. Yeah. Oh.
Is Benjo scared?
No, I think Benjo just doesn't know what to do. Because Benjo's usually like the smallest one.
What are they doing?
No. I've never seen Benjo like this with a dog.
I love it.
I'm just like, I don't